If you don't have any chickens and you're wondering why they ruffle their feathers up like that, it's to get little air pockets between their feathers and their skin, because they're over 100 degrees general temperature, so it warms up that air. It helps keep them toasty. Hey, Clyde. She still having feathers ripped out. I sprayed her with some blue coat, and I don't know if she's ripping out her feathers or if someone else is. I'm trying to keep a closer eye on them, but at least there's no broken skin this time. What do you think, Maple? It's chilly up today. I just got back from out of town. Been looking for some work because I have a special kind of skill set on the type of work I did. I've been taking a small hiatus from, and I just had an interview with this lovely person at a brand new building, and it sounds like they have their stuff together, so got more interviews coming up. But I don't know if I want to return to that industry or not. I've been working in it for quite a few years now, and I don't know if I want to continue it. So, much like last time when I had a big decision to make, I'm just not going to do that. I'm going to hang out with the chickens for a little bit, and I will figure it out. Oh, Clyde. Who did this? You can see she's still kind of purple from where I sprayed her. She's hard to catch. Out of all the chickens, if I catch Clyde, you can't hold on to her. It's very hard. She's a large girl. You have to, like, sumo hug her. Unlike Miss Girly. That's Fletcher. I can even hold on to Meatball if I wanted to. Oh, there's Bertha. What's up, lady? So if you just joined us, or if you are reviewing this recording later on, we're just hanging out with the chickens for a little bit. Giving them some grubs. This is Fletcher. And then the two on the right forward is Gunther. The orange one right there in the middle is Wally. The one with the blue coat on her is Clyde. That's Bertha. And then Meatball just came out. She's right there. They're good chickens. Yeah. You good chicken? You good chicken? Here. You don't want to give chickens... Sorry, Meatball. You don't give them too many grubs, but I give them a couple handfuls of grubs every now and then. Probably not more than like twice a week. It's like junk food. Hey, Gunther. There's also a little blue one, Gunther, because she had a little scrape on her head, but it's healed up fine. Greedy girl. Come here. Out of there. Hope everyone's having a good first week of the new year. We are here. We're in Massachusetts, USA, Zone 6B. Just hanging out. I got to go to the store soon and get some horse pine pellet bedding to put down here, dry it up a bit for the girls. They actually don't mind the wet so much, but if we get any more snow, they absolutely hate the snow. Meatball, you're so pretty. You're pretty too, Gunther. Yeah. Gunther is the head of the flock. And actually, our ISA browns, which are these little ginger birds, are at the top of the packing order. And then goes Clyde, Meatball, and then Bertha. Bertha's at the bottom. Our golden laced Wyandottes are these birds with lacing. And I think Bertha is the only true Wyandotte. Oh, good close-up, darling. Clearly, Meatball has a comb, and Clyde has like a half comb. So I think they're not like true to breed, which is fine. I mean, they're so pretty. So we have a very small flock, only 6 girls. Chasing Mysteries Gardens. Thank you for letting me enjoy your chicks. Very beautiful. Yes, they are. Thank you for joining me. Also, I love your account tag, because gardening is a mystery. I just like to come and sit out with the girls. We haven't picked them up very much in the winter just because they get so dirty, but we scoop them a lot in the warm weather. Although, this is a pretty mild winter. You can see out in the yard. Usually this time of year, we have about at least a foot or two of snow just residually on the ground, but been having random like 50-degree days. Today we got some an ice storm. Unfortunately, there were a lot of traffic issues. Girls don't seem too bothered. So here I give them some grubs. You can also give them mealworms. But they like what they like. I have a bucket here that's supposed to be heated water, but it never worked. So it's just a very expensive bucket. So what I'm going to do is chop this power cord here off. And I have a water heater that I'm going to put on the stump, and then put this on top of that. And then I don't have to like build a new bucket with water nipples in it, and it'll heat up. Gunther, please don't pick the phone. Please don't pick the phone. They're cute. I think he joined after I got the eggs, but we got 3 eggs today. And they never like it when I take their eggs. And I am just hoping none of them go broody anytime soon, because that'll make it more difficult. There you go. Yours are so pretty. Alright, I actually don't have a jacket on, so I'm going to head inside. I hope you have a good rest of your day. We'll have some more chicken stuff going on sometime soon. Come out and visit them sometime. Man, I'm getting so many good close-ups today. Alright, girls, I gotta go inside. I got nothing. I got nothing. Alright. Have a good one.